I think my Next is actually really here. Oh, hello, old dog. That's Kira. Oh, wait. Oh, thought I heard a truck. Oh, oh man. Where's my Next? Where are you, Mr. UPS Postal Service, whoever bringing it? Oh. Oh man. Guess who's here? DHL. My new computer. I'm excited. That's why I'm videoing it, because I've been waiting for this for a long time.
Here, I'll do this so you don't have to...
Exactly. Cool. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Be well with the whole COVID thing.
Oh, yeah, I'm fine. There you go.
Thank you. Have a great day. See you, DHL. Yay! And I got my dog over here someplace. Where did she go? So that's... DHL just brought my package back. Now I have to unbox it. Yes! Howdy folks, TJ here. Today is the day. DHL just came up and delivered this package. Been waiting on it for a while. Not as long as some folks. Others, probably in the same boat as myself. I'm in the USA, by the way. And so the accelerated Next, the USA, I guess is probably... There's one other batch I think they're shipping, if I'm not mistaken. So we're not quite at the very end, but pretty dang close. But I'm just super excited to get it and finally get to do a little box opening here. So I'm going to do this as a two-part video. Going to do an unboxing, and everybody's seen all sorts of everybody else's unboxing, so it's my turn to do mine. It'll be probably no different than anybody else's, but I'm going to do it and record it so I can put it on my YouTube channel, so I can look back at this in years from now and say, hey, this guy was excited about getting a Next. So it's kind of cool. I remember when they talked about the Next when it was first introduced, but not being a Spectrum guy, I didn't really follow it that much. But then it caught my attention a little bit more in 2018. Started reading about it more, and then at the tail end of 2018 is when I started really sinking my teeth into learning about Sinclair and reading websites, and midnight, can't sleep, and checking out Spectrum computers and the Spectrum Next and all this. Then 2019 hit, and I kind of went crazy and become a total Sinclair nut. Lucky to be able to get the Spectrum Next. There hasn't been a second Kickstarter yet. I was able to buy one from somebody that was selling their pledge. So I lucked out, pretty much. So I don't know what's worse, starting out by putting money down 3 years ago and finally getting it, or seeing how bitchin' of a computer you missed out on, and the odds are you're not going to get one on this first time around. I think it's the second, to tell you the truth. It's a little nerve-wracking going, yeah, all these people having fun and I can't buy one. Anyway, either way, I'm excited. Let's open up this box. And like I said, everybody else has kind of done an unboxing already, but this is my turn, and I'm hoping that everything inside is okay. Then I'll do another video on my first boot of it and see how it goes. So the box, right off the bat, maybe a little smaller than what I expected. Most computers these days are big, but we know that Spectrums are small. So let's tilt this. So they put it in a nice box. So I'm going to look at it first, since it's my computer, so I can kind of say, this is pretty. It's got little tapes on the corners here holding the box shut. Oh. Box is nice and glossy. ZX Spectrum Next personal computer, Sinclair TBB blue. So now you get to see the cover. Oh. So now it's my turn to look at the sides before I show you. And I'll kind of spin it around. So ZX Spectrum Next personal computer on that side. This side has got 1024 kilobyte, and then the little colors here of the ZX Spectrum. And this side has the same. So they printed that all the way around. And then I'm going to look at the back before you guys get to. I'm stingy, I know. ZX Spectrum Next personal computer. It's got all sorts of hardware specs and everything, and I'll kind of show that in a second. It's got some exclusive game information on the side, or on the back here. Cool. So let's show a close-up, and then I'll read a little of it. See if I can get here in the light. Kind of got light pointing down. Hopefully I'm kind of getting this in the camera here. Show it at a couple different angles. So, ZX Spectrum Next personal computer. The ZX Spectrum Next is the evolution of the original Sinclair 8-bit computer that kick-started a generation of bedroom coders whose games shaped the way we play to this day. I agree with that, big time. It is fully compatible with the ZX Spectrum, including its younger siblings, such as the 128, I do own that, a +2, I own that, and a +3, I own that too. So yeah, I became a Spectrum nut, all in a matter of a short period of time. You can even load old tapes. Yay! Built from scratch with dedicated hardware, the ZX Spectrum Next boasts added features. Next, that doesn't quite read right. Built from scratch with dedicated hardware, the ZX Spectrum Next boasts added features. Okay, that makes sense now. I just can't read right. I'm getting all excited. Playing original games, a breeze, and opens the door for brand new titles, taking advantage of the improvements such as better audio, more colors, OURS, not the colors like I'm used to in the United States, with no U. Larger memory and faster processor. Hook it up to your modern monitor or TV and get started rediscovering what computing is really about. Big time, I agree with that. Exclusive games on the back: Dream World Pogie, Dungeonette, Lords of Midnight, Monkey McGee, No Mercy, Quake Star, Warhawk, and Wonderful Dizzy. And it's got all the specifications and all that. I'm not going to read all that because you guys will probably say, TJ, just open the freaking box! Open the box! What's in the box? But you've all seen these before, so I'm just savoring all this. So now, should I peel this or should I cut it? I think I'm going to do a little slice in it, and that way the tape stays intact. I don't know if that's a good idea or not, but I should get something a little sharper. I'm running into the kitchen to see if I can find a sharper knife. Okay. That's kind of a fun sound, huh? Hey! Fuzzy, foamy, kind of a dense foam in this top cover here. Oh, wow. I'm going to go right to the next here and then open the other stuff. Man, this thing is... Can I say the word tits? Yeah, I can. It's my channel. I think it's perfectly acceptable. K. If you watch my last video, I harped on that K. This thing is beautiful. It's got a little density to it, you know? Feels like a Chicago-style pizza. You know, nice dense to it, not feather light. All right, so let's show this. I still haven't even looked at the cover of the manual, which I've been talking about. So, let me position the lighting a little bit here. This video is going to go a little long, sorry, but hey, Don't watch if you don't want to. Watch if you do. You're just watching a 53 going on 54-year-old man excited about a fracking computer. So, beautiful black. The keys, you know, got a little shine to them. Sinclair ZX Spectrum Next. It's got a little, yeah, everything looks real, I mean, just nice and tight. So, hopefully it's all picking up. So there's the front. Put it in a couple of different positions here. So let's start the side here. So it's got the 3 colors, which you guys have all seen. No ports over here. This side's got your reset, drive, SD card, which is in there, and the NMI button. Front's got your Joy 1 and Joy 2. Should I tell a joke? No, I don't want to tell a joke. Some people don't like my jokes. And then the back. Keyboard, RGB. Audio out, ear mic, USB ports, digital video debug, power. Let's look at the back. So I remember early on seeing pictures. Yeah, there's some of those little hairline, whatever you call them. They're not cracks, but they're hairline mold things or whatever. Yeah, there's a little bit of that on there. Who cares, you know? Everybody's butt doesn't look great, you know? You gotta have something going on back there. So, yeah. This thing looks great, feels great. Cool. Put that right there. So, now to the manual. Ooh, this thing's got some heft to it. Yeah, that's nice and hefty. So now I'm going to look at the cover finally. Nice and blue. Sinclair ZX Spectrum Next. User manual. Nice rings. It's got a very futuristic cover. Very cool looking. Probably getting some glare off the light here, but looks like there's a little spaceship here, and so yeah, bitchin' looking cover. Oh, the back side's got some more. Is that the same? Yeah, looks like it's the same to me. Maybe there's some, if I really explore it, some differences. And we'll just open up a few pages here. Chapter 10, perfect to open up to. 10! It's a 10. This computer's a 10. Cool. Hey, that's just luck of the draw. I opened it up to the number 10. Okay, so there's the manual. Little foamy fuzzy things to keep everything. I think they did that to stop the Next from roaming around in the box during shipping. So in the box, there's nothing else. I don't know if any of the other videos, but the box inside is pretty, you know, it got multiple levels. So I don't know if I can pick this up on camera, but it's got slots here and spaces here. Everything indented, so everything kind of fits in nice and tight. I think they did a really nice job. I know it's just an inside of a box, but they did a nice job. Power supply, I'm sure. The box is a little on the thinner side. Not super heavy duty. And let's pull things out. Ooh. So here's the AC adapter, and it's one of those that can take different plugs. So let's make sure I've got my USA plug in here, because I'm from the USA, and yes, I'm proud of USA. I know all the Brits and everybody over there, you know, happy to show their card that they're from over there. Well, I'm happy to be here and happy to be part of the Sinclair family, even though I'm in the United States. So yes, here's the USA plug. So here's the AC adapter. Just typical fare, but it's one of those adjustable ones that you can put different plugs on there. So cool. And I guess if I wanted to, I've got that 110 to 220 volt converter. I guess I could, if I wanted to, run it off a 220 volt and feel like I'm in the United Kingdom. Since I'm trying to convert, yeah, right. I'll let you guys have your country, I'll have my country, and we'll all be friends together. That can work. So, cool. That's the unboxing part. Now I just hope everything boots up, runs good. I'm sure am happy to be part of the family. I guess I should also notice there's little feet back here. So let me show you little feet. Little feet back here. So can have a nice angle when I'm typing my programs. So cool. Spectrum Next 2020. Pretty happy to be part of the Specky family. Thanks for watching the unboxing video, and now it's time to actually see if this bad boy boots. Thanks for watching. See ya.